me, I can do a lot of things. I can go to fa, I can go to re, and I can go to la. I'm so versatile, and I don't have much time to waste when I'm at a single place. I'm not talking about myself, I'm talking about me on the keyboard. So let's go to the keyboard and check out what me actually does. Alright, first of all, we look at how we form the me, which is the me chord. We are in the key of F. The me chord is actually 2 notes, semitones, that's an intervals, then the third, 3 intervals, then the fifth. Again, 2 intervals, the third, 3, and you go to the fifth. So you have it like this, with 2 intervals against 3 intervals, 2, 3. If it was a major, it would have been this, 3, 2. It's a minor, 2 against 3 intervals. That's forming the me chord. And one thing you should understand about the me is that it can also be inverted, just like the do and the re we did earlier. So the me, to invert it, you have to move this note to the other side, from A, lower A to a higher A. That's your first inversion, and the lower C to the higher C. Second inversion, then back to the roots, from your lower E to a higher E. Indirectly, you have this. Again. With your right hand, you have that's the inversion. To play it as a chord, you have this. Then you go to your roots. Roots, first inversion, second inversion, then back to roots. As simple as that. Okay. Now, how do we apply the chord? That's the me chord. You use the me when you are going to fa. That's the fourth chord. You use the me when you are going to re. That's the second chord. And you use the me when you are going to la. That's the sixth. Again, the me is used as a passing chord to the fourth, or as a passing chord to the sixth, or as a passing chord to the second. Once again, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth is the same as do, re, mi, fa, sol, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. As simple as that. So once we go back to the keyboard, we would have something like this. Me going to the fourth. And you have me going to the second. And you have me going to the sixth. So you have me arranged in that order. A song we can practice me with. Let's just take Diana Asi for the meantime. Africa, can we try that?
Yes. Diana Asi, Diana Asi.
Of course, we have not approached the chord la, but in other words, in other ways, we have approached la. From our first episodes, we said that on the la, you can have this chord for the sixth. If you remember. So basically, when we are going on, we are playing me and we are going to la, we have. So in Diana Asi, we had Diana Asi. You get it? Diana Asi. Alright? So, and the same me, you can use it when you're going to re and when you're going to fa. So, is there any other song we can try and see what we can?
Ohene Biara te se wo, yeah.
Like,
Ase unkutu.
okay.
No, yo.
Okay, so ain't we are see a man in
Antiria siamenina kase.
again.
Antiria siamenina kase.
Good. So that's one place, and you could realize what we did with the chord me. Moved it from the third to the fourth. You could have basically we could have a song like Hallelujah, glory, glory, instead of Hallelujah, glory, glory, Hallelujah, praise His name, Hallelujah. You see, so with that, before you go to the fourth, you have Hallelujah, glory, glory. So Hallelujah, glory, glory. Again,
Hallelujah, glory, glory.
Again.
Hallelujah, glory,
For the last
glory.
time.
Hallelujah, glory,
Again.
glory. Hallelujah, glory, glory.
You see, so the me is used as a passing chord to the fourth. So that's another place of using the me. And a song like Me Ti Asi, can we try that and see?
Me Ti Asi, eje mete mawo, metasi, eja semeyi waye.
Pause. So with Me Ti Asi, you could see us doing what we learned in the previous lesson. That is coming from the re to the so, and also from the mi to the la. So in the previous lesson, we learned that when you are going to so, you hit on re before you go to so. And in the song Me Ti Asi, we can hear ourselves applying, see ourselves applying that there, because you can't move straight to so like that. So we ended up going to re before we go to so on Me Ti Asi. And equally, we had to be at mi, and we went to la on Me Ti Asi. Do you get it? Can we move to the keyboard and see what we got there? So we have Me Ti Asi as Me Ti Asi. Then we came to re. You see, we could easily have done Me Ti Asi, eje mawo, but we did Me Ti Asi, eje. So we use the second minor, which is the re, as a passing chord to the so. It's the same thing we are doing with the mi as a passing chord to the la. La. So let's take the whole song again.
Me Ti Asi,
Right, so
je mete mawo, metasi.
we're going to so we are going to re before.
Eja semeyi waye.
If it's not played like that and we are eradicating the re and the mi,
Me Ti Asi,
this is what we do.
eje mete mawo, metasi. Eja semeyi waye.
See how dry it is? Again,
Me Ti Asi,
and we are improving it.
eje mete mawo.
We're going to so we step on re.
Eja semeyi waye.
So what we did there, very beautiful. Baby,
No
no.
waya
Going to
mami.
la.
So many.
It's instead of so we're going to read
Maybe
for.
one no make us say me you are yeah.
Baby, now I am, mommy. In a very basic way. Let's go.
Baby, now waya
Approach it.
mami.
Here's the 3 chords.
So many. Dear mano, make us say me you are yeah.
See how dry that one was? Again. Baby, very dry.
Baby, no waya mami. Oh, so many. Maybe mano, make us say me you are
It can be
yeah.
played like that and it sounds beautiful. But you could also add the minor chords to it and it will make your song fuller. Okay? It's, let's go on the same song again. Me Ti Asi, add the minor chords to it and see how it sounds. Alright?
Me Ti Asi. Me Ti Me Ti Asi. Eja se meji waje. Se Me Ti Asi. Eje me te Me Ti Asi. Eje se meji waje. Baby, now why ya
Going to
mommy?
last, so what would we do?
Oh, so many. Be mano, my casa, you are yeah.
That's that for now. And if you want us to, if you know some of these chords already, you can spice this up with some basic, progressions. Like, let's go.
Se Me Ti Asi. Eje me te Me Ti Asi. Eja se me iwa Se Me Ti Asi. Eje me te Me Ti Asi. Eja se meji waje. Baby, now waja mami. So many. Ye mano me kase meji waje. Baby, now waja mami. Oh, so many. Ye mano me kase meji waje.
All I was just doing there was playing with the notes, playing around with the notes, and just keeping the progressions tight. Alright? If you have watched to this point, kindly subscribe. It's so dear to me. And in conclusion, practice, practice, practice. Make a conscious effort to practice what I'm trying to teach you here every day, and trust me, we will get there. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe once again. Thank you. Like if you enjoyed this video to this point. Bye bye. Good.